In this video, we're going to be looking at how we can write a number as a product of its prime factors. In a previous video that I'll link here, we learned that the first 6 prime numbers were 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and 13. My aim is to write 50 as a product of any of these prime numbers all being multiplied together. So the easiest thing to do is to start off with 50 and think of what prime numbers will go into 50. The smallest prime number that goes into 50 is 2, and the multiplication pair of 2 would be 25. 2 is a prime number, but 25 isn't. So now we need to break 25 into prime factors. 2 and 3 do not go into 25, but 5 does, 5 times. And here we can see that on the end of all of my branches, I now have prime numbers. 50 can therefore be written as 2 times 5 times 5, all the numbers that were inside of my circled branches. This can be tidied up using indices, that 5 times 5 is 5 squared, so the answer is 2 times 5 squared. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So starting with 60, I can divide it by 2 and get 2 and 30. 2 is a prime number, but 30 isn't. Dividing this into 2 and 15, 15 can then be divided by 3 and give me 5. Now all of these are prime numbers. So 60 can be expressed as 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. And using powers to simplify 2 times 2, which is 2 squared, 60 can be expressed as 2 squared times 3 times 5. And this is my final answer.